In this lecture, we are going to study about an important tool used in the process mapping, also in the root cause analysis, Kaizen, project management, and also in the Six Sigma projects. I'm talking about the value stream mapping. This is a simple example of value stream mapping. So value stream mapping is a lean visual tool that represents the flow of the material and information as the product goes through the business, service or production process. It is basically used in the manufacturing sectors, although it can be equally beneficial in the service and complex business operations too. So in the picture, you see a value stream map where you see different information about the time taken for the processing or the number of people involved in the processing. Also the information flow, which could be manual information or the online information flow. And also you see the suppliers who are delivering the raw materials. So it gives a overall view, or say it gives you a helicopter view of the overall process. As I said earlier, it is basically used in the manufacturing business, but can be used in almost all the business sectors as well. So if it is a case of manufacturing business, it is used to show the material flow. In the service-based business, it can be used to show the information flow. In healthcare service, you can use the value stream mapping to show the patient flow. And in the business, you can use the value stream mapping for the information and the customer's flow. So I just want to show you that value stream mapping can be used in almost all the business and services. Although value stream mapping and process maps are largely confused for their identical procedures, value stream mapping is a broad term and has some differences with the simple process maps. For example, I've shown a flowchart on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, there is a value stream map. Let us see some differences. The first difference being value stream mapping incorporates more process and displays a large number of information than a process map. Another difference is value stream mapping can cover the entire operation of the business model, ranging from receiving order to transport of the finished goods. And value stream mapping is more popular in Kaizen and other process improvement projects than a simple flow chart or any other process flow maps. Now let us understand the value stream mapping. For that, I'll divide each words and I will try to convey you the meaning. First of all, what is value? Something of value means that it is performing well at a minimum cost. So formula for value is performance by cost. So when you have high performance in a low cost, you mean that the particular business or service is providing the higher value. The value is defined from the customer's perspective. So based on the value that customers feel or customers define, there are two types of activities. One is value adding activity and other is the non-value adding activity. Value adding activity are those activities that directly add value to the products. For example, any steps of the production such as manufacturing, packing or filling could be the value adding activity. And non-value adding activity are those activities that do not add value to the product. Now let's talk about stream. What is a stream? A stream is a production or a business pathway that adds maximum value to the customer's requirement. It is just a business path that adds the maximum value. And one rule to see is while selecting a stream, it should be able to represent 60 to 80% of the value. That means the process flow that adds more value to the product or service as required by the customers should be selected. Now the third term is mapping. Mapping just means the representation of the process flow in a graphical form. So we now know the meaning of value, stream and mapping. And combination of the value stream and mapping gives us the value stream mapping. And the core uses of value stream mapping is helping us to devise or form a perfect process. So what is perfect process? Before defining a perfect process, we should know that no process is perfect. But since we always aim for near perfection, we should know what a perfect process means. A perfect process is the one which is valuable, available, and capable. So a perfect process should add value. It should be available. That means we should be able to use it when we want it, and it should be capable of making any improvements. Now let us see some of the advantages of the value stream mapping. First, the value stream mapping comprehends the manufacturing, service, or business operation for easy understanding of the bottlenecks and waste. So we can see the bottlenecks and waste with the help of value stream mapping so that we know exactly in which part of the process there is a possibility of the generation of the waste. The second advantage is it helps to identify what improvement or Kaizen activities are required for improvement of the process. The Kaizen is a Japanese term for continuous improvement. And as the value stream maps helps us to see the waste generating point, it also helps us to identify what kind of Kaizen activities are required for the improvement. Thank you so much for being with me so far.